Good. Rebound ng Claret. Steal. Our savior. Merchant. Pass to Enzo. Reverse layup. And the first basket mula kay Enzo Yao. Ayan na ang double team. And that's a jump ball. Correction, and that's a 8 seconds violation. Claret, galing ang jersey number 6. Nagla tayo. Cheng. Pass to Merchant, out of bounds. Torres, pass to Enzo, back to Torres. Torres, step back two, no good. Rebound again by Pope. Floater, no good. Rebound by Merchant. And basket is good. Para kay Merchant. Up. Jump shot, short. Out of bounds. Time remaining 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Enzo attacking the basket. Pass to Paulino. Blocked by number 0. Pass to Merchant, using the board, basket. Uy. Ayun na, steal by Enzo. Pass to Merchant, all the way, basket is good. Steal again by Merchant. Merchant all the way. Basket. 10 and 2. Number 6. Drop pass, number 11, no good. Rebound again by number 6. To number 0. Where's the foul? It's Lazaro. Number 0 from elbow 3, no good. Rebound ng Xavier. Poblador. Pass to Torres. Torres kick out to Enzo. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by the Claret. Number 14. And that's a stepping on the line. 5 minutes and 29 seconds. Ito ng Xavier. Poblador. Back to Poblador. To Merchant. Pinagay sa corner. Pope for 2. No good. And out of bounds. Number 3. Pass to number 11. Bounce pass. Fake. Number 6 tumira. Wala. Rebound again by number 0. Pass to number 6 from the corner. Too strong. Rebound by Pope. Pope attacking the basket. Binigay sa loob. Enzo with the cover. Uy. Pope to Enzo. Enzo attacking the basket. And there's a foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 14, Enzo Yao. Basket para kay Enzo. Second shot. No good. Rebound. And that's a jump ball. Bola ng Claret. Number 0. Steal by Andres. Poblador attacking the basket. Nakalusot si Andres. Good. Sa kabila po yun. Ayan na ang Claret. Number 6. Ooh, there's a foul. Number 21. Number 6 para sa Claret. First shot, no good. Second shot, no good. Rebound. Ayan na. Oh. Number 4. Number 30. Sese. Pass to Enzo. No good. Enzo. Steal ng Claret. Number 11. Pass to number 0. Pass number 6. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Nagagawan. Steal by number 21. And pass to number 30. Nagmamadali. Derecho. Short. Enzo with a putback. Ang ating talaan. Oh. Time remaining 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Bola ng Claret. Number 3, looking for his teammate. Binigay sa corner. Tumira sa tres. No good. Rebound by Sese. Sese, pinababa ang bola. Binigay kay number 16. That is Dexon. And out of bounds. And that's a foul. Number 30. Sese. Bola rito ng Claret. Stop and pump. Basket is good. Ayan na, Enzo. Pass to Sese. Sese with the cross. Sese binigay sa corner. Chua, no good. Rebound. Makaka-recover si Poblador. And there's a foul. Pushing foul. Jersey number 3. That's Taganas. Poblador, pass to Sese. Tumira, wala. Rebound by Chua. Basket is good. By jersey number 21, Chua. Ayun na, Claret. Derecho, there's a foul. Number 16. First shot para kay number 3, no good. No good. Rebound ng Claret. There's a foul. Number 11, Black by Chua. Number 3, floater, basket. Poblador. Pass to Liao. Liao, lumayap, no good. Naka-recover. Number 7 to Pope. Oy, nakalusot. But there's a foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 4, Pope Torres. Basket. Time remaining, last 22 seconds sa ating first quarter. No good. Xavier. Number 4, Poblador. Pass to number 7. Hernandez. To Liao. Jump shot, no good. And that's the end of our first quarter. Fisher scores 18 to 16 in favor of our Xavier School. And muli, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumubuo ng ating liga. Especially sa nag-contact po sa akin. Ayan. Maraming salamat po from Xavier School parents. Happy viewing po sa inyo lahat. Happy blessed weekend sa bawat isa. Second quarter coming up. Bro, pakisave. Dahil nito dapat merong video is being installed. Salamat. Okay, back to the ball game. Second quarter. Hernandez, Cheng, using the board, wala. Rebound by Pope, no, short. Hernandez with the rebound. No good. Rebound by number 14. To number 3, steal by Liao. Liao. Out of bounds. Pass to. Nasa, no good. Kuha ng jumble. Derecho, no good. Rebound by Liao. Outlet pass to Hernandez. Hernandez kick out to Merchant. Pass to Hernandez. Hernandez to Cheng. Cheng, stop and pump. Basket is good. Pass to number 3. Floater, juice in the board. Wala. Ayun na ang Xavier. Merchant, nagmamadali. Merchant, derecho. Basket is good. 22-6 in favor pa rin sa ating Xavier School. Ayun na ang triple team. Oopsie. Out of bounds. Same ball. Paulino coming in. Enco. Para sa ating Xavier. Nasa corner. Number 6. Tumira. Wala. Rebound again by number 6. Bounce pass to number 11. Side step. Using the board. Wala. Rebound by Paulino. Magnus steal by number 11. Using the board by jersey number 0. 22-8. Pass to Ko. Ko pass to Merchant. Merchant. To Liao. Pass to Ko. Catch and shoot. Yes, sir. Number 14, pass to number 7. Number 7. Out of bounds. Bola rito ay ng Xavier. Out of bounds. Number 77, Cheng. Pass to Ko. Ko attacking the basket. Too strong rebound ng Claret. Number 14. And out of bounds. Time remaining 5 minutes and 41 seconds. Oh, munti ka na magawan. And that's a 8 seconds violation. Merchant pass to Cheng. Oh, wow, nakalusot si Cheng. Number 11. Pass to number 6. And that's a traveling violation. Time out. Claret School QC. Official scores 26-8. With the time remaining 5 minutes and 12 seconds. Good morning everyone, welcome back to our live. This is our first game. The Xavier School versus the Claret School QC. Pass to Cheng. Cheng to Paulino using the board. Wala. Rebound by Enzo to Merchant and 1. Basket count and 1 by Merchant. Wayne, the 6-8. Basket is good. There's a foul. Bad pass steal by Paulino. Paulino to Merchant. No good. Rebound by number 0. Kaya na ang Claret. Number 3. Sidestep using the board. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha ni number 0 to number 8. Block there, but there's a traveling violation. Substitution. Texan and Poblador coming in para sa Xavier. Cheng and Paulino coming out. Bola mapupunta sa ating Xavier. Mari-receive ni Andres. Poblador. Pass to Merchant, bounce pass to Enzo. Steal by number 6 to number 11. Behind the back, number 11 to Mira. Wala. Rebound again. There's a foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 0. good. Texon, spin. Ooh, there's a foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 16, Texon. Derecho, basket by jersey number 3. Pass to Enzo. Enzo, sumalaksak. Basket is good. (31-11). Steal by Pope. Sidestep. Basket. By Pope Torres. Number 3, steal. Makuha ba? Steal by Merchant to Enzo. Enzo, sumalaksak. And there's a basket. It's good. Number 6. Out of bounds. White ball. Torres looking for his teammate. Steal by number 11. Timeout. Xavier School. Official score 35-11 with the time remaining 1 minute and 23 seconds. Back to the ball game. Bola rito ng Xavier. Enzo. Tatanggap ang bola. Sidestep using the blast. Wala. Rebound ng Claret. Number 3. Steal by Poblador. Andres. Pass to Torres. Too strong. Steal by number 6. Number 3. Number 3, steal by Torres. Naka-recover si number 6. And that's 8 seconds violation. Last 45 seconds remaining. Bola rito ng Xavier. Poblador. Pass to Merchant. Pinas sa loob. Enzo. Back to Poblador. To Torres, stop and pump, no good. Rebound, Poblador, pass to Enzo, too strong. Rebound by number 14. Ayan na si number 3. Number 3, sidestep to Mira, nakalusot, and there's a basket there. Merchant, bounce pass. Oh, no good. Rebound by number 14. Number 6, and that's a traveling violation. Time remaining, last 2.2 seconds. Pwede pa makatira dito ang ating savior. 2, 1, and there you go. End of the first half, Fisher score 35-13 in favor of our Xavier School. Babalik tayo para sa ating third quarter. Shoutout po to all the parents from Xavier School 2015 basketball. It's an honor na makover po ang inyong mga game. Maraming salamat po. Especially kala Sir Poblador Martin. Okay, back to the ball game. Sese with an inbound. Oh, steal by number 6. There's a foul. Number 30, Sese. Shooting at the line, Rivera on the free throw area. Rivera, no good. Wala pa rin. There's a foul. Basket. 2 for 2. Hernandez. Pass to Cheng. Cheng to Mira. No good. Rebound ng Claret. Number 11. No good. There's a foul. Ay, hello po. Pass to number 21, no good. Oopsie. And then Sator, Abiling, violation. Kita yan ang ating referee.
Dito. Ready?
Sese, maglalabas ng bola. Pass to Hernandez. Number 2, number 10, basket! By Liao. Wala dito ng Claret. Attacking the basket is good. Number 11. Steal by number 14. Pass to number 3. Floater. Basket is good. Hernandez, pull up J, no good. Rebound ng Claret. Bounce pass, number 11, there's a foul. Time remaining 6 minutes and 42 seconds. Shooting the line. Jersey number 11. First shot is good. Basket. Torres. Loader, no good. Bounce pass to number 8. There's a foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 8. That's Mendoza. Basket para kay Mendoza. Shot, no good. Oh, cross. Pass to Enzo. Backdoor pass. Merchant to go. Pass to Torres. Jump shot. No good. Masay ba? Out of bounds. Wala ng Claret. Number 0. Nabitawan. Makakuha ni Merchant. Pass to Ko. To Pope. Pass to Hernandez. Attacking the basket. Basket is good. Oh, sorry, that's correction. That's Merchant. Ooh, number 11 to Mendoza. Wala. Rebound by Paulino. Pope, pass to Enzo. Enzo enters a foul. Shooting in the line, the jersey number 14, Enzo Yao. First shot is good, no good. Second shot, no good. Rebound by Hernandez. To Merchant. Backdoor pass to Torres. Pass to Paulino. Paulino spin. Floater, wala. Rebound ng Claret. To number 11. Number 11, matake. And there's a foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 11 from Claret School. No good. Basket. Enzo to go to Magnus using the glass basket. Magnus Paulino. Number 14. Let's see. Number 3, looking for his teammate. Pass number 14. Jump shot, short. Rebound by Torres. Pass to Merchant. Merchant, pass to Enzo. Block there, Paulino. Wala. Nagagawa na. Jumble tayo. Merchant, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 3. Nagmapadali dito, Papake. There's a foul. Paganas, jersey number 3. And shout out, shout out. kanyang tatay nanonood sa kanyang laban ngayong araw. No good. Time remaining 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Taganas basket. 24-41. Torres attacking the basket. No good. Rebound. And nabagaan ni Ko. Sa foul. Bola rito ng Claret. Sorry, correction. Xavier. Torres, bounce pass to Enzo. Ganda naman ng pagkakton ni Enzo. Kitang-kita ni Torres. Number 14 to number 11. Naka-recover ang Claret. Number 11. Floater, wala. Rebound again by number 11. Pass to Taganas. Taganas to number 14. Pinakas sa corner. Back to number 14. Number 3. No good. Rebound by number 11. Side step. Wala. Too strong. Rebound by Merchant. Ayan na si Torres. Side step. Whoa! What a nice up and under. Para kay Pope Torres. Oy! What a hustle by Xavier. Pero nakatira si number 8. No good nga lang. Number 8 again with a rebound. Sumalaksak si number 3. Basket is good. And that's number 11. Ayan na si Merchant. Pass to Paulino. Wala. Rebound by Enzo. Enzo. Wala. Paulino with a putback. Wala pa rin. Rebound na dito ng Claret. Ayan na, Taganas, binigay sa corner, jump shot, no good, rebound by Merchant. Merchant, nagmamadali. Merchant, basket! Number 14, steal by Torres. Torres, oh! That's now basket. No basket daw po yun, sabi ng ating referee. Alright, end of the third quarter. Official score 47-26. Lamang pa rin tayo dito. Ang Xavier. Fourth quarter coming up. Babalik tayo. There we go, fourth quarter. Bola ng Claret. Number 10, sorry. That's Liao. Number 0, steal by Liao. Pass to Sese. Sese up and under, no good. Rebound ng Claret. Outlet pass, number 14, nagmamadali. Derecho, fake. Tumira, and there's a basket there. Oh, bad pass. Number 0. There's a foul. Number shooting at the line in jersey, number 6. No good. Jam shot, wala. Rebound ng Claret. Outlet pass to number 11. Basket is good. Texon, there's a foul. Two free throw by Texon. Second shot, no good. Rebound by Texon. Pero nakuha ng Claret. Number 11, tumira, wala. Taganas. Number 14, catch and shoot. Basket. Ayan na, humahabol na po ang Claret. Sese to Poblador. To Texon, too strong. Rebound by number 14. Number 11. Steal. Chen. Over sa number 6. Oh. Bounce pass to number 11. 34-50. Poblador. No good. Rebound by number 3. Number 3 attacking with the basket. Wala. Number 0 basket. Poblador. Pass to Cheng. Pinagay kay Liao. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Poblador. Andres, bounce pass to Texon and 1 by jersey number 16, Texon. For 3-point play. Idol. Tapo. Okay, Texon for 3-point play. One shot. Wala. sorry. Wala po palang timeout. Steal ng Xavier. Yao to Merchant, choosing the glass. And that's don't make it. And that's a jump ball. Bola rito ng Claret. Time remaining 5 minutes and 7 seconds. And that's a jump ball. Ayan na! No good. Rebound again. Yao with a pass. Nice pass there by number 21. Number 11 to number 0 from the top of the key. Wala. Rebound by Chua. Pass to Merchant. Setting on the play. Pass to Torres. Torres to Merchant. To Hernandez. Okay, back to the ball game. Claret School basketball. Number 11. Pass number 0. That's a traveling violation. Oh, pinasok pa rin pala siya. Wait lang. Ngayon lang pinasok. Eh? Sayang. Pwede pa naman. Kali may improve pa naman po yan. Merchant to Enzo. Texon to Merchant. Pass to Enzo from corner. No good. Rebound by Merchant. Wala. And that's a jump ball again. 56 po tayo. 56 to 36. Number 11 to number 47. Basket. Torres. Running shot. Wala. Maka-recover si Merchant. Merchant. Pass to Torres. Basket. Nice move by Torres. Assisted by Merchant. Number 11. Top of the key for 3. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha ni Hernandez. 2 against 1. Hernandez attacking the basket. And there's a foul. Shooting in the line. Jersey number 7. Hernandez, Tomas. First shot by Hernandez. Basket yan. shot. No good. Makakuha ni Poblador. Poblador, jump shot. Wala. Rebound again by Poblador. Pass to Magnus Paulino. 61-38. There we go. Number 11. Grabe ang hustle ng both team. Poblador and number 11. Bola rito ang ating savior. Time remaining 1 minute and 28 seconds. Ko. Pass to Liao. Pass to Poblador. To Ko. No good. Rebound. Liao. Short. Rebound dito ng Claret. Number 11. Side step. No good. Rebound by Magnus. Pass to Hernandez. To Liao. All the way. Basket. Last 38 seconds tayo. Number 11 gets the 3. Wala. Rebound. Time remaining. Last 24 seconds. Oopsie, steal. Ayan na, number 10, no good. Rebound by Magnus. Wala, rebound by Poblador. Andres waiting for his teammate. Last 5 seconds. Ko, at dito na po, nagtatapos ang ating laban. Congratulations and a nice game para sa Claret School. And congratulations to our winning team, ang Xavier School. Alright, our final score is 63-38. Panalo po ang ating school, ang Xavier School. Okay, magbabalik tayo para sa ating next game. The La Salle Green Hills versus the Don Bosco. Hanggang sa muli. Ay, hello po. Ma'am?
Hindi pwede sa kanila.
Dito po. Sabay po na, ma'am. Dalawa. Parang nga nata.